How you guys doing? This Rio and Will from BuiltbyYO. You guys about to see this amazing unboxing of this great radiator that we got from Try 5. Now it's time to cut open the box.
Wrap it up quite nicely. Make sure it don't get scratched.
Oh, yeah. We can reuse this.
Good tablecloth.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, they big time. Ooh. Shiny. Okay. Oh, flip it around. We got to flip it around. You turn your side, turn around. Let's switch. Come on, man. Ooh. All right.
You ready to drop in just like that?
Just like it.
Pull the cardboard out.
Yeah, the cardboard, and we in there. Oh, yeah.
Try 5 guys. Hey, y'all got a quality product.
That's right.
PRC radiators. Y'all make a quality piece as well. Shout out to you guys. Spal fans. Dual 13-inch fans.
You stupid. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, y'all see how shiny it is?
Oh, yeah.
Freshly hand polished. For real.
It's a mirror.
So, like we just said, this is going in the 55 Bel Air, as y'all can see right there. But it's getting an LT1 swap, so this is really gonna keep it cool. And as you can see, all these quality welds on this PRC radiator.
Yeah.
You can see all of that.
They do their thing.
Yeah. LT1 swap.
These made to order, right?
They are made to order.
I see why. They take their time with the product.
And they get them to you quick.
They get it to you quick.
Yeah.
What's quick, Will?
Shoot, we got this in like 6 weeks.
6 weeks?
Yeah.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah.
That's pretty quick.
Fully made to order.
Yep. So my question is, Mr. Grease Monkey.
Yes, sir.
Why did we go with this radiator?
All right, so we went with Try 5 guys because we was really looking into one of their competitors, and this one was a much better price point for virtually the same thing. It's made in America. It looks the same quality as far as the hand polishing, radiator, you know, condenser on the front, the overflow tank. Everything is pretty much the same as their competitor, except this one was a lot cheaper. Okay. Sure, why not?
Shit, I don't blame you, bro.
Hey,
if you can get the same radiator for the cheaper price,
yeah.
Hey, save us some money.
Exactly.
We all about saving money.
And sure, hey, as you can see, we like to play in the car.
Yeah.
So we need the real, some real cooling capabilities of this what we got right now.
That's right.
All right, so that's gonna wrap us up as far as this unboxing.
Yep.
From, we got this clean core support radiator,
super clean
condenser, all this combination ready to drop right in from Try 5 guys. Y'all go check them out. That's try5guys.com. That's TRI5guys.com. And they on Facebook, IG, all the socials.
Yep.
So y'all also check us out too, BuiltbyYO, on the IG, TikTok. What else we got?
Snapchat, eBay.
We got an eBay store now. Y'all definitely. Yeah. All these parts that we got coming out these cars,
we let them go for you guys.
They perfect parts, but hey, y'all want some discount prices? Y'all check that out. The link's gonna be in the description below for this core support.
Yeah.
The video, of course. Well, we broke some stuff, but y'all go watch that video and check that out.
Yeah.
We have fun around here. Some cars can't take it, but
that's right. So look, like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, like Will said, check the links out in the bio below. Check them out. Let's roll.